I'm fine. I gave you all of me. Now I don't know who I am. Every dream I couldn't see, I replaced it just for you. Every time you needed more, I just gave you even more. Never thought I'd feel this sore in the end. Every part I let you take, every choice I didn't make, every smile that I fake broke me down. I can feel it in my chest, like I lost what I possessed. Every time I gave my best, I lost me. I gave you everything and lost myself. Every piece of who I felt, every dream upon the shelf fell apart. I gave you everything and lost myself. Every time I needed help, I was someone else instead. From the start, from the start. Yeah. Every time I changed for you, every lie I made feel true. Every part I once I grew, I renewed. Every time I stayed too long, knowing something felt so wrong. Every time I played along, made way. Every time I tried to speak, you would turn the other cheek. Now I'm standing feeling bleak and alone. Did I ever matter back? Or was I just feeling cracks? Every time I look at that, I break down. I gave you everything and lost myself. Every piece of who I felt, every dream upon the shelf crushed down. I gave you everything and lost myself. Every time I needed help, I was someone else instead. I drowned. If I take it all back now, find the person I allowed to disappear without a sound. Can I heal? If I learn to stand alone, build a life that's just my own, maybe I can finally know what is real. Talk it all. Talk it all. Took it all. Left me empty. Left me small. Gave you me. Lost it all. Now I rise from the fall. I thought loving you meant losing me. Now I know that's not love. I gave you everything and lost myself, but I found it in the hill. Every time I felt I fell, I stood up. I gave you everything and lost myself. Now I finally can tell every part I couldn't tell was enough. I'm finding me again. I'm finding me again. Look at me. Or don't. Look at light, but it never feels right. Every shadow in my sight wants to fight. Every flaw I try to hide, staring back from deep inside. Every truth I push aside comes alive. Every time I look again, I don't know just who I am. Every version I begin starts to end. I can feel it in my chest. Every night I get no rest. Every time I try my best, I fall short. Every night I find my own reflection. Every flaw, every imperfection. Every thought becomes a weapon against me. Every night I find my own reflection. Every doubt and every question. Every broken connection won't set me free. Won't set me free. Yeah. Every time I face the glass, all I see is shattered past. Every second never lasts. So fast. Every word I never said, every lie inside my head, every path I should've led, left right dead. Every move I try to make feels like one more big mistake. Every part I try to take starts to break. Can I ever make it right or just lose another fight? Every time I see the light, it fades out. Every night I find my own reflection. Every flaw, every imperfection. Every thought becomes a weapon. I break down. Every night I find my own reflection. Every doubt and every question. Every broken connection spins around. If I look a little deeper, past the pain I always keep here, is there something underneath worth saving? If I stop the constant war, maybe I could see much more than the person I ignore. And I'm chasing. Look at me. Look at me. Face the truth. Face the truth. No more lies. No dead skies. This is me in my eyes. The mirror never lied. I just didn't want to listen. Every night I find my own reflection, but I'm learning my direction. Every flaw and imperfection makes me real. Every night I find my own reflection, but I break the disconnection. Every piece I once rejected starts to heal. Maybe I don't have to fight. Maybe I don't have to fight. I thought I was okay. I was wrong. Try to put the pieces back, walk away and now the back. Every step I stayed on track, still I cracked. Every day I told myself I don't need nobody else. Put my broken heart on shelf, but it fell. Every scar I tried to hide, every tear I kept inside. Every time I said I'm fine was a lie. I can feel it creeping in, every place beneath my skin. Every time I think I win, I lose ground. I tried to heal, but I fell apart again. Every time I try to mend, every broken piece won't blend back in blood. I tried to heal, but I fell apart again. Every time I reach the end, every time I just pretend I break again. Yeah, I break again. Yeah. Every time I build a wall, it just crumbles when I fall. Every time I stand up tall, I lose it all. Every memory returns, every lesson never learned. Every time I feel the burn, it covers. Every step I try to grow, something wasn't weak. I was healing. Just not